Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image yesterday. They are from my friend's pets. Well, girls. And that was fun shooting. Well, actually I haven't shot animals before in my commercial, but I do shoot babies in portrait studio. I did a lot babies shot, and pet shooting is to me something like babies because you can't communicate with, like they don't understand what you're talking about, right? Even babies, so you just like to me like face to them by your mind. That's all you gotta do it. So when you see them, just what do you say? Catch their expression. Well, I got nice shooting yesterday, and I have this image. I checked this one, and I have the other one. I may try tomorrow. Well, this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, these two images, I'm gonna make something interesting. Hopefully something impressive image. Well, let's get started. Okay, this is side soft lighting, and use strobe light, and background is white on white. Well, I only know their names, and they are girls. That's all I know. But how can I make this some kind of illustration type image? Maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, I should add some colors, huh? Probably it's gonna be the real subtle colors. In this shot, there is no colors. There is colors, but real subtle. Look, see some colors in overlay. That's pretty nice. When you see colors here, that's pretty. Alright, overlay and soft light, pin light. Well, you can get some nice textures, maybe used for illustration, huh? Luminosity. Well, we can use this as a base image, real shadow colors. Okay, let's do this. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2, and duplicate layers, then merge selected. Now I'm going to duplicate this again, and one up at the top, change blend mode to multiply, or maybe color burn helps. Touch. Okay, I'm going to change to color burn, then merge down. Now we got the base image. Okay, I'm gonna bring, pencil drawing type image. Bring this blend mode back to normal. Then I'm gonna move up. Now turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna move, this is the base image, right? So I'm gonna move this one to bottom. Well, hold on a second, let me think. Okay, how about, move this original image over base image, this luminosity effect layer. I'm going to turn it on, then I'm going to change original image opacity down to, about 50. You see some of. Okay, now I'm gonna move this empty layer, move over this base image now. Okay, I'm gonna add some feminine general color magenta with, wow, this is Fresco. I can use watercolor image too. Yeah, let's see, watercolor background. Watercolor brush. Let's see, watercolor wash flat, big size, max 512, and water flow 100. Real shadow pink. Change brush to watercolor wash soft. Once dried, dry layer, then watercolor wash soft size max, water flow max. Okay, a little bit change color to red and a little bit. Now you see some. Change brush, watercolor round detail, then change colors. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then put this green down. Okay, then merge down. Okay, once you merge down, it'll dry itself, so I'm gonna add different color, just cyan, light blue. You're gonna have some kind of watercolor texture here. Okay. Alright, that's it. Okay, then create empty mask with basic to soft round size flow. Okay, mask this watercolor. Now change brush to soft round opacity. Alright, now let's see. This is original image. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this original image. Then top of the original image, opacity back to 100 max. Then create empty mask, invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal on their face so we see more clear later. And I'm gonna make, let's see, this halftone original image 50%. Well, add this. Alright. And okay, I'm gonna make on this layer, I'm gonna create empty mask. These originals, this is 50% opacity. Now I'm gonna mask this. So before mask this image, I'm gonna reveal this. Okay, reveal with soft round opacity. Maybe on the eyes. I'm gonna add some catch light. Okay, then maybe just leave this halftone image of the original. I don't change. So I don't need mask on this halftone, so I'm gonna delete. Just clear, cut mask. Just leave it, this one. Then, let's see, this is only for their face, eyes. Well, now I'm gonna add one more layer. Then make white mask. Okay, fill in with white on this layer, pixel layer. Then now I'm gonna create empty mask. Dry media to pastel square. Now I want to see outlines, so I'm going to turn it on, pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to darken. Let's see. Then hide this white layer. Okay, now let's see where the color goes. This is color, right? Okay, I'm gonna move up over this white layer. Then tone down the opacity about 55. Then now pencil drawing type image, darken. Let me see. Pin light. That was pin light. A little bit too dark, huh? Okay, just leave it 30% pin light. Then I'm gonna continue to hide this mask. Now I want to see this face. Change brush to soft round opacity. Oh, this pin light effect. I think because of this pencil drawing type image, blend mode is pin light is effective on underneath. So I gotta make mask on here too. Yeah, if I hide some, this pin light effect goes soft image, and we're gonna get some colors on shadow side, yellowish, which is nice. So I'm gonna create empty mask. Then same soft round opacity. Yeah. Give it you more dark eyes. Yeah, hide on this pin light effect layer. Then reveal the other one. Then now some pencil drawing type image. No, this one. No, the base image. I guess so. Oh, that's right. This is a luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Then hide with texture, pastel square. Now this is a tablecloth texture. Just hide too dark. Lighten up. Okay, about this much. Well, almost done. I'm gonna touch up some more about, let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more layer on top. Then add catch light. Rough pencil, no scratchy pencil. Touch more soft chalk. And outlines. Well, very good. Let's see. I guess that's it. This is the original shot I shot yesterday, and I made base image with the pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to luminosity effect layer to get this base image, luminosity effect layer. Then this is the base image. I add this original 50%. No, not 50. I tone down 30 now to add some half-tone image of the original. 30% now. I may change later, I don't know. Well, anyways, half-tone image from original image. Then I add This is original again with mask, only for eyes. Turn on with mask. Just get this eyes darken. That's from original 100%. Then I add, this is white layer with mask. This is mask. Just white layer made mask to just make a white background. Okay. Then I add background color with watercolor image, like so. Tone is about 80 now, but I'm gonna add this pen light effect, pencil drawing type image to get a little bit touch lighter. This is pen light effect. We get some tone of body, just a touch yellowish. Then last thing is I add catch light and a little bit pencil drawing outlines on this layer. That's it. Catch light is so important. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. That was fun shooting though. Yep.